So I picked up this 6-quart air fryer and I want to walk you through everything, the good, the things I wasn't sure about, and I'm actually going to use it right now so you can see exactly what it does. This 6-quart air fryer is bigger than I expected. It's 6 quarts. I mean, square basket, which I actually prefer over round because you get more usable space in there. The build feels solid. It's not flimsy plastic that feels like it's going to crack. The exterior is clean. The controls are right there on the top, easy to read, and there's this window in the front, which sounds like a small thing, but I've had air fryers before where you're just guessing what's happening inside. With this air fryer, you can just look through the window and check on your food without opening it and losing all that heat. And so this air fryer has 12 preset functions: air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and a bunch more. Are you going to use all 12? Probably not. Most people are going to use just 3 or 4 of them on the regular, but having them there means you're covered for whatever you want to make. The dehydrate function for making jerky or dried nuts, that's actually pretty cool. It's not something every air fryer has at that price point. It's got a bake function, works for small batch baking, and the air fry, which I'm going to show you in a second with some dino nuggets. It's got a 400-degree rapid air technology, which circulates heat fast, which means you're not waiting forever for things to crisp up. And that's the whole point of this air fryer, and it delivers on it. The basket on this air fryer is non-stick, and I want to talk about this for a second because non-stick claims on air fryers can be hit or miss. This one so far has been holding up. Food isn't sticking, cleanup is pretty straightforward. So you pull out the basket, you wipe it down, you rinse it, you're done. And the square shape also means it can sit flat and stable in the sink, which sounds minor, but actually makes the whole cleanup process a lot easier. Here I've got some ABC dino nuggets. My kid loves these and I want to show you what this air fryer does with them using the air fry function. Alright, so they're all spread out in one single layer. Don't stack them. You don't want air getting around every side. So that's what makes this air fryer work the way it's supposed to. Alright, it's on the air fry. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. There you go. So hitting that air fry preset right there, setting at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes, you can already see through the window. Air is circulating in there immediately, no preheating forever. It gets going fast. That window right there is one of my favorite things about this air fryer because I can just keep an eye on things without touching anything. So that's done. You can pull the basket out and look at these. There you go. Outside it's crispy. The breading has a real crunch to it. They're cooked all the way through. My kid is going to demolish these. And that's the air fryer doing exactly what it's supposed to. And that's with the ABC letters still intact on every single one, which tells you the heat is even. It's not blasting one side harder than the other. Let's give this a bite. So who is this air fryer actually for? Families. The 6-quart size is big enough to cook for family without doing multiple batches every time. People who cook and want something versatile beyond just air frying. Anyone who's tired of the microwave making everything soft and sad. And if you've never owned an air fryer before, this is a solid first one because, well, the window, the clear controls make it approachable. You're not going to be confused about how to use this thing. The presets do a lot of the guesswork for you. Now, is it perfect? Not entirely, but this air fryer is on the larger side, so counter space is something to think about before you order it. And like any air fryer, the basket capacity means really large meals. You're still doing things in batches. Just worth knowing going in before you pull the trigger. So the air fryer does what it says it does. The window is a useful feature that I keep coming back to. Basket cleans up well. The air fry function produced crispy nuggets in under 10 minutes. And 12 functions means you're covered for a lot more than just air frying. So for a family kitchen appliance at this price point, this air fryer is worth taking seriously. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review. If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.